Good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Alim AS. I am from Electronics and Communication Department. Project title is Smart Helmet Controlled Vehicle. Team members are Balaji S, Manoj AM, Muhammad Faizan, and me, under the guidance of Anil Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor, SJCIT. Invention of automobiles has been one of the greatest success of mankind that has helped in the national's growth widely. However, it cannot be ignored the number of casualties due to these automobiles, in which thousands of people losing their life. Casualty in traffic accidents are mainly caused by collision of vehicles, and loss of life is due to lack of safety of kids. People are not maintaining the safety of kids, so most of the major this accident will be happened. So in the our project is helps to avoid the accidents. The first step is temperature sensor. Whether the helmet is over or not, it will detect through the temperature sensor. If helmet is over, then ignition start, otherwise it remains off. It will detect the helmet is over or not through temperature sensor. When human wear the helmet, the temperature sensor will detect the temperature of human. Then it pass through the relay. Bike will start. Second step is ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance of behind the vehicle. When the object is closer, it indicates object is detected. It will measure the distance of behind the vehicle it coming. Third step is alcohol MQ3 sensor. It will detect the alcohol gas. Here we can see permanent marker. We are using permanent marker as a alcohol detection because in permanent marker alcohol gas is there. It will detect the alcohol gas through alcohol MQ3 sensor. When alcohol gas is detected, automatically engine will off. The bike won't be start. Engine will off. Fourth step is GPS module. In this, accident will detect. If the rider met with an accident, may not receive medical help instantly, which is one of the main reason for death. Here we are using the MIM sensor in bike unit. Whenever XYZ coordinate changes, it indicates accident direction has been changed. By this mechanism, accident can be detected. GPS module send the exact location of longitude and latitude will share through message in Telegram app to the family members. When accident happened, the XYZ coordinates will changes. The exact location of accident will send through the message. Here we can see the message emergency at Google Map link. When we click the link, it will open the Google Maps. The Google Maps and display the exact location of accident. We can see here the exact location of the accident. Fifth step is Bluetooth module. Here we can see voice port. We have to give the comments like left and right. First, we need to connect the Bluetooth. The device name is FC8. Next, we can tell like just left. Then it will on the left indicator and displays in LCD display is left indicator is on. Here we can see the LED and LCD display in left indicator on. Same as right, we can when we have tell the right, it will on the right indicator, and next it will display in LCD display as like right indicator on. We can see a right indicator on and LCD display it will display in right indicator is on. Next is technical issue. If any components may be damaged, it will display in LCD. It is a technical issue. Thank you.